Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept in dentistry. In 2026, AI is analyzing dental x rays and automating patient communication. AI is improving treatment planning and streamlining insurance workflows. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept in dentistry. This rapid evolution raises a major question in modern dentistry. Will AI replace dentists in the next 10 years? The short answer is no, but AI will absolutely transform dentistry. Dentists who refuse to adapt may struggle in this changing landscape. Dentists who learn to work alongside AI can become more efficient and more accurate than ever before. This article explores the real future of AI in dentistry and which technologies are emerging. AI adoption in dentistry accelerated dramatically after 2024. What began as simple image analysis has evolved into intelligent systems that do much more. AI can detect cavities and bone loss with high sensitivity. AI assists with orthodontic planning by modeling tooth movement. AI automates charting and documentation to reduce administrative burden. AI predicts treatment outcomes to help guide clinical decisions. AI manages scheduling and insurance workflows to save time. AI supports patient communication through automated reminders and education. Industry experts increasingly view AI as a silent team member inside modern practices. Many dentists fear loss of clinical autonomy and increased corporate control. These concerns are not irrational because AI is advancing quickly, but dentistry is far more complex than simply identifying problems on a radiograph. AI cannot replace human judgment, which considers context and ethics. AI cannot replicate hands on clinical skills and the manual dexterity required for procedures. The real threat is not AI replacing dentists, but dentists who ignore AI being replaced by those who use it. AI assisted clinics are already gaining competitive advantages. No AI will not fully replace dentists within the next 10 years, but AI will reshape how dentistry operates and how clinics compete. The future belongs to dentists who combine clinical expertise, human connection, and technological intelligence. AI is becoming one of the most powerful tools dentistry has ever seen, but tools still require skilled humans to use them wisely. Follow DenTrends.com for more recent dentistry updates